Hello. On this board, I have an AT-Tiny85, this little chip here, that is providing the basic lighting features for a starship like the Enterprise refit. So I have collision strobes, navigation lights, deflector dish, and this strip back here represents the nacelle glow. It should be a strip of blue LEDs, but I only have white at the moment. The LEDs here and here are being switched by two transistors because this little tiny chip really can't run this many LEDs. This button here switches from impulse to warp and back to impulse. We have 5 volts coming in for the AT-Tiny, and there is 9 volts back here on a separate power supply for the LED strip. Right now, well, originally I had wanted to have an AT Mega 328 power all the features of the Enterprise refit, but I just ran out of pins, so I did have to go ahead and offload some of the basic functions to the AT-Tiny. You could use this for a whole lot of different starships. Although frankly, you could probably get the navigation strobes and the collision strobes and the navigation lights on a 556 timer chip. So later on, I'll go ahead and show videos of the AT Mega powering the other functions of the ship, including the spotlights for the space dock startup sequence, photon torpedoes and phasers firing, and the RCS thrusters. So thanks for watching, and there is more information in the description down below, so you can take a look at the article that accompanies this board.